Good morning, this is Alamon, and welcome to Human Resource Machine, which is a game in which you basically do programming. I loaded this up just a little bit to make sure it would work okay, but I didn't get very far. So let's go with pigtails here. Employee 1, please proceed to the elevator. So we're going to start in the mailroom. Welcome to your first day. You look like an excellent instruction follower. Your first job will appear over there on the right side in a moment. Remember, you can always ask me for help. Mailroom. Drag commands into this area to build a program. Your program should tell your worker to grab each thing from the inbox and drop it into the outbox. Alright, so for each thing, we wanted to grab it from the inbox and take it to the outbox. But not enough stuff in the outbox. So this did not loop, which means we have to force it. Inbox, outbox, inbox, outbox, inbox, outbox. Let's speed this up a little bit. And there we go. Your presence is requested on the next floor. So now we're in the busy mailroom. Well, looks like you've made it this far. Congratulations on your promotion. Most people stress out and quit before making it this far, but I can tell you have a bright future in inbox-outbox management. Here's your new assignment. So, we can drag jump arrows to jump to different lines within the program. We need to grab each thing from the inbox and take it to the outbox. So, inbox to the outbox, and then we want to loop it. Speed that up a little. It says auto exec. Let's keep it rolling. Copy floor. Oh no, the inbox conveyor system is completely broken, but that doesn't mean we get to take a break from work. So we need to send BUG to the outbox. The facilities management staff has placed some items over there on the carpet for you. If only there were a way for you, you could pick them up. So we have a new command, copy from. It says ignore the inbox, so we're not going to use inbox. We're going to be copying from. We need to send BUG, so B, send it to the outbox. U, send that to the outbox. G, send it to the outbox. B, U, G. Very good. Now we have Scrambler Handler. The conveyor system is fixed and just in time for you to get to work. The data won't collate itself. Alright, grab the first two things from the inbox and drop them into the outbox in the reverse order. Repeat until the inbox is empty. You got a new command. Feel free to copy to wherever you like on the carpet. It will be cleaned later. So in other words, we need to pull a 3 and a 9, but then stick in a 9 and a 3 in the outbox. And this is every 2. We're just reversing every 2. Well, first we know we need to grab something. Now we're going to be holding a 3. But we want the 9 to go in the outbox first. So we have to get the 9. But I don't think we can hold two things at once. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, so we just threw away the 3 when we do it that way. Alright, so we're going to need to copy it to the floor. So now we're going to have a 3 here. Oh, okay, they changed the input here, but now it's a 3 and a 5. We're going to copy the 3 to the floor, and then we need to go back, grab the 5, and then stick it in the outbox. Then we need to pick the 3 back up, stick that in the outbox. So now we've pulled 2 things from the conveyor. We're sticking 2 things on the outbox conveyor, so that matches. And then we loop it. So we need to put a 5 and then a 3. Yep, 5, 3. Now we have to do M and B. M, B, 9 and 3. Let's do one more in this episode. I think maybe I'll do, 5 per or something like that. At least for the beginning. Coffee time. Year 5. Okay.
Back to work, everyone.
Regions of the city continue to experience power failure. Local authorities are investigating.
Yeah, it's kind of a World of Goo sort of art style to it. Although World of Goo didn't exactly have people in it, I guess. Okay, so that wasn't a real level, so we will do this one. Welcome to my personal rain cloud. I was never very good at math, since I have only 3 fingers on each hand. Well, I do too. But I hear you don't actually need to know very much about math to complete these assignments. For each 2 things in the inbox, add them, and put the result in the outbox. You've got a new command. It adds the contents of a tile on the floor to whatever value you're currently holding. Alright. So when we add 2 things, one of them has to be in our hand, the other has to be on the floor. And it's for each 2 things in the inbox. So this is almost exactly the same as the previous one. We need to copy to somewhere on the floor, grab the next number. So now we're going to be holding 2, and we have 8 on the floor. We're going to want to add 2 and 8 together, stick it in the outbox, and that's it. We only put the result. We don't put 2 things in the outbox. And loop it. Looks like it's working. Alright, well, our presence was requested on the next floor, but we're going to have to call it here for this episode, so let me know if you want to see some more. Good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bits bite. Bye-bye.